In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the McDonald's app on your Android phone. So first thing is to go ahead and open up the Play Store app. And in the search bar, type in McDonald's. Click on the app from the search results and click the blue install button. That will now start downloading to your mobile phone. Once downloaded, it'll then start installing to your phone. Once it's downloaded and installed, a blue open button will appear on your screen. However, come out of the Play Store and then go along and scroll through your apps that are downloaded and installed on your phone and just check that the shortcut icon for the McDonald's app is there. And then you know it is definitely downloaded and installed. You can now go ahead and click on the McDonald's icon and the app will open up.